Uptown Swing level 1-8 count.
On Thursdays.
Peter,
Naomi.
We did swing out. I'm going to
We
show what it looks like real
did.
quick, and then we'll show the solo stuff.
Heck
So here's your
yes.
swing out. Hey.
5, 6,
You
7,
can come
8.
back into a circle if you like.
5, 6,
By the end,
7,
we got
8.
to hey.
5, 6, 7,
Right
8.
back out to hey.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Here's the leader's practice. We did this. Then we turned around 360 with it. Hey. Try and get that going. And remember, leaders, when you're going to do a circle, it's more on the spot.
You can practice that and hit the gear button and practice it slow. Followers, we did this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we just went one way the whole time. We had this funny crossing feeling, but we kept going this way. And that was our practice from when we're out and open.
So from here, leaders, you practice your thing. You send somebody with this shape and just hold them until they go.
Now I'm practicing going past my leader,
Redirect.
and that's what makes a nice feeling.
Hey, you're doing great. Practice that stuff, and we'll see you in 2 weeks.